Hey, what's up, everybody? Jessica here, and in today's video, I'd like to show you an affiliate network called Guru Media. I'm pretty sure you haven't heard of them because I didn't either, so I'd like for us to check it out together. So this will be a first look. Before we take a dive into the platform, make sure you create an AFK forum account today if you have not already done so. It's free to go ahead and sign up, and you get instant access to tons of tips, tricks, and strategies on how to make money online with affiliate marketing and CPA affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and dive into the affiliate network Guru Media and see what they have to offer. Okay, here's their website, gurumedia.com. And they work with everyone, it looks like, advertisers, affiliates, and publishers. I don't have any images, but here are their teams. I did get an email from this guy. I do remember speaking with this guy over Skype. So they are a small team, but they work together, which is pretty cool. And they're very thorough as well. I appreciated that. Now, as far as their website goes, it's not really much to it to kind of understand their branding and their vision. So let's go ahead and dive into the platform. So as you can see, here's our affiliate manager, and if we are going to proceed this for Team W, then all of the data would be shown here. And then as far as the campaigns go, you would go in here. So we have 1,044 offers, and it looks like we got everything separated by ID and campaign name. So we don't have anything set up by vertical. That would have been cool, but here are the payouts. It's per sale. So can we can filter by country. Let's see here. By the status of the campaign. So let's say we want the newest campaigns for the United Kingdom in the past 30 days. All right, and here are the campaign groups. So let's see if we can find sweepstakes and surveys. All right, cool. Let's see what we get. We got nothing. Yeah, we got nothing. Hold on. Let's go with all, and then just go there. So we still don't have anything. Do we have any at all? We don't. So we don't have that vertical. Now, let's see what we do have. So let's go back to all. We got these guys. That's Nutra. More Nutra. And we got BizOp and Eyelash Enhancer. I just want to look at it because they were promoting it really hard. So this is pretty much ecom, which or you can do like a lander to a survey. So that's something, yeah, something to consider. So follicle therapy. All right, so they got a lot of Nutra and beauty stuff. What is this? Solio Glow. All right, so Guru Media doesn't have CPA, but they got all this other stuff. See, that's a problem. That's a problem. Probably would not use this, but I see where they're going. So with it being before and afters, this is perfect for push ads. Let's look at, oh, that's the other offer. Something else. Can we, so pay per sale, is that all we got? Yep, that's all we got. So it's ecom trial for Nutra, and we got butt calc. You know what, y'all? I'm sorry. I gotta look at this. What? Oh, okay. Is it this interesting? Let's just go with something. I just want to see. everything. But this is interesting. These Joker, you see this survey, you guys? This is so funny. This is a great angle for an info product or something like that. I love this actually. And it will send you your handy dandy. Oh, this is cute. And then you get your opt-in. What's this? Where does it go? For $2, you get a personalized booty plan, exercise videos, recipes, and support. Oh, that's easy. Oh, we could kill the game. This is like an Instagram offer. That's the easy offer. Okay, so that's the kind of stuff they got. Let me see. Gadgets. So I need to pass this network to Rich, pretty much. That's what this looks like. This is, but I like these products actually. Definitely something that we could probably send over to Colin too on the native side. These are some pretty good Nutra products that we could do with the advertorial. We got, probably wouldn't do anything with CBD, kind of hard to convert. But that's that. So that takes care of the campaigns. So you can look at your commissions, your sub-ID reports, your month-to-date activity. You got your networks, and then here's your dashboard and your download manager. So we don't have anything to download. So it's pretty straightforward network. I would say you would have to keep an eye on the quality of landing pages from some of these offers. That's the only thing. And I would go through the entire funnel just like we did together. Don't hesitate to do that. Know exactly what the customer experience is, so you can set up your angle properly, and you won't lose that conversion when you think about it from that approach. So, all right, that was Guru Media, and I will check you guys in the next video. Bye.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.